AI-driven wealth creation. Unlocking hidden opportunities globally. What if I told you the next wealth revolution isn't in Wall Street, Silicon Valley, or even in traditional investments? It's happening right now, all around you, powered by something that can fit in your pocket. Artificial intelligence. Welcome to the AI Gold Rush of 2025, where hidden opportunities are waiting for those who dare to explore them. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI-driven wealth creation? Why it matters now? Artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic concept anymore. It's shaping industries, transforming businesses, and creating unprecedented personal wealth. The global AI market is projected to surpass $1.5 trillion by 2030. But what does this mean for you? Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a seasoned entrepreneur, AI is opening doors to wealth creation that were unimaginable a decade ago. Let's break this down and explore exactly how AI is unlocking hidden opportunities globally and how you can take advantage of this wave. Understanding AI's wealth potential. AI is more than a buzzword. It's a game changer. Think of it as your personal assistant, business advisor, and financial planner, all rolled into one, working 24/7 without taking a single coffee break. Key insights. AI processes massive amounts of data in seconds, uncovering patterns and trends that humans would take years to identify. It powers predictive analysis, forecasting everything from stock market trends to consumer behavior. And, most importantly, it creates opportunities for people with diverse skill sets, not just tech experts. For example, companies like OpenAI have created tools like ChatGPT, helping writers, coders, and designers elevate their work while saving time. Imagine the possibilities when you pair your creativity with the power of AI. How AI is driving wealth in emerging markets. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming wealth creation globally, especially in emerging markets like India, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Startup ecosystem. AI-driven startups are booming, attracting massive investments in sectors like fintech, agritech, and health tech. Example, Nirami, an Indian AI healthcare startup, is revolutionizing early disease detection and improving lives. In Africa, AI-powered platforms like Zindi are enabling data scientists to solve real-world problems, creating local jobs and global solutions. Freelance and gig economy. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are using AI to match talent with projects faster and more accurately. AI learning platforms are upskilling freelancers in areas like AI-powered graphic design and digital marketing. This means a designer in Lagos or a coder in Bangalore can now compete for global projects like never before. Investment and trading. AI-powered tools are democratizing finance. Robo-advisors offer personalized investment strategies. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment help individuals start investing with minimal knowledge. AI's risk assessment algorithms are making investment decisions smarter and safer for beginners and experts alike. Practical steps for AI-driven wealth creation. Now, let's talk about how you can leverage AI today to start building your wealth. Here are 3 actionable strategies. Skill development. Start by learning the basics of AI tools like ChatGPT for writing or DALL-E for design. Explore online platforms offering free and paid AI courses like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning. Master emerging skills like prompt engineering, which is quickly becoming essential in the AI era. Side hustles with AI. AI has made it easier than ever to start a side hustle. Use tools like Jasper.ai to create content for blogs, social media, or ads. Explore AI-assisted graphic design using Canva or Photoshop's AI features. Offer virtual assistant services with AI-powered automation tools like Zapier. Investment strategies. With AI, use platforms like Robinhood or Zerodha with AI-powered market analysis tools to research investment opportunities. Understand risk assessment tools to manage your portfolio better. Start small and scale as you gain confidence and knowledge. Debunking myths about AI and wealth creation. Now, let's address a common question. Is AI taking jobs away from humans? The answer is nuanced. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. For example, AI can handle repetitive tasks like data entry, freeing you to focus on strategic, creative, or high-value activities. You're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it to achieve more in less time. The AI wealth revolution is just getting started. The opportunities are endless, but they belong to those who take action. Start by experimenting with AI tools today. Learn, adapt, and embrace this new era. Remember, the future isn't waiting for anyone. It belongs to the bold and the curious. The AI wealth creation journey isn't about replacing humans. It's about empowering humans. You're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it. Start learning today. Experiment with AI tools. Be curious, be bold. The future belongs to those who adapt. Your AI-powered wealth journey starts now. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI to build your future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Together we'll shape the future.